Alright, so testing the product so you don't have to. I got the new Hoover all-terrain vacuum, and let's try it out. My son made a mess with his food, so let's see if it works. So this is what's included. You get 2 battery packs for your vacuum. You get the hose. You get all kinds of attachments. You get the brush for the handheld. Really good. This is like good quality. And you get, I don't know what this one's called. And then you get your wall hook. Really good stuff. They give you 2 batteries because the batteries don't last that long. I did about 25 minutes of vacuuming on super high speed, and it only gave me about 25 minutes. And it took about an hour and a half, 2 hours to fully charge. As you see, the blinking light is an indicator. Obviously, when it's up here, then it's fully charged. Good thing they give you 2 because you'll need them. The suction on it is really, really good. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. It picks up everything, and honestly guys, low noise, so it's not gonna hurt your ears like other vacuums. It literally is low noise. Also, ladies, the buttons on everything is so easy accessible, even with my nails, so you don't have to worry about breaking nails, because I know that's important to us. Literally, I've broken so many nails on other vacuums or gadgets or buttons that is just a little bit too stiff. Even the battery pack is easy to take off. Everything's easy to take off. Another thing is that it glides over the carpet, the tile, the floor. It glides. It's like asking to keep moving. It helps you, so it's easy on the hands.
I really wanted to like this thing, maybe even love, and I really especially thought this would be something in between, you know, an $800 Dyson and one of the $100 options from the new no-name brand on Amazon that if you buy 6 months later, it's no longer available, but then you can sort of find almost exactly the same thing by this other new random brand, which I've done, and it's not... It doesn't work out. I really, especially was excited about the dual brush roll, which when it works is a real advantage, but I cannot figure this out. Kind of like, I'm a vacuum kid, you know, like I grew up being fascinated with like vacuums, and like when we go over to my aunt's house or family, I'd be like, oh, can I see your vacuum? And we've had a lot of different machines, and I'm presuming this has to be defective. I don't know. It doesn't matter what carpet it is. I've tried different batteries. Basically, no matter what, the brush roll just stops anytime I move it backwards. Sometimes it doesn't even start moving unless I push it forward. Remember, you know, if you eat pizza at Pizza Hut and like you saw those little things that they wheel around, and it's just something that literally by the movement picks things up? That's what this feels like. Sometimes if I like lift it up a little bit and like drag it, come on. No. It has good suction. I was impressed with the suction, but like, this is the equivalent of like a hose that just has suction. I mean, who cares about 2 brush rolls when you have none moving? pretty, I mean, like, it's nothing crazy, right? It's like not shag. How's that? I mean, I have a pretty fresh, genuine Hoover battery in here. This is how it's supposed to work. Come on. What?
Okay, here's the Hoover. I would like to give a review on it, but unfortunately, I cannot. There's a big gap right here, and it's missing a piece. If there's a piece that, it doesn't even look like that's the right size for that. But this is how how it came when I opened it up. So, there's the battery charging over there, one of the two that come with it. Got it charging. But virtually I can't do anything with it because of the gap. There's no way there's no suction power. There's supposed to be a piece here, or actually it doesn't even look like it's the right size. And it's nowhere in the box. I tore the box apart looking for it. So, can't really review it because I can't use it. That's a shame. I was looking forward to it, and that's it. I guess I don't even know. To get another one, I guess I got to get another one or another part or something to it. I don't even know. Thanks, Hoover. Appreciate it. Yeah. There you go.
Just want to show you on this Hoover ONEPWR how flimsy this canister is going in and connecting to the the motor. So, and basically all it is just two little hooks right here, and then it just pops in right here, and it doesn't really click in. It's supposed to really be tight, but it's not. Actually, you lose suction rate right in here. And poor design.
So don't buy those things because it's garbage. Once you clean the thing, you take it out, it won't allow you to put it back. It's so hard to put it back again. I put oil and stuff and it's not going even in. Like, it's garbage. I guess now I'm just gonna throw this away. Like, I won't be able to use it if you don't put everything in place, you know? So it's garbage. Don't buy this, guys. You're just gonna waste your money.